Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Okay, we are now proceeding to another test in which it's a development. It's just a hit and try sort of things, but a great deal of learning for the new users is there. That how we can uh, proceed in the development of the form. And as you have seen in the previous session, we brought this order number right, which was previously placed in here in the title of the form. It is here now. Okay. Now, and also we wrote some change event. If the user changes it, then it brings the customer wrap. So before customer wrap, the customer name and the order date should also be brought. So this is our today's project, and we will do it. Okay. So first thing first is that let's correct this. Means we don't need any more this information in the title bar since these are coming in here. Or yeah, let the order number should be there, because if the user change, so it can have the available order number uh, on the top. That's fine. Okay, so now our objective is what, instead of bringing the customer similarly means as it brings the customer representative name, so it can, with the change of the order, it can bring the customer name and the salesperson and the order date. Okay, so let's go and do this. So for this, we have to go out of this form. Then we go to the Visual Basic Editor. In here, we have this form, and here we have this change, where we go to the change event of this text box of order number, right? So this is the order one, and this is going to be correct, means enhanced, so that the customer text, if the customer text is not equal to space. Okay, so first of all, let's add the change of the event. It is supposed to find out the customer name itself, which customer does the changed order number belongs to. Okay, so what we do, we use this say cust dot text is equal to like this. Okay, we use this VLOOKUP function, but we will use some different VLOOKUP formula. So what we are going to look up, we are going to look up the order one dot text. Order one dot text. Okay, and where we are going to look at, of course, we will look up in the sale order, right? And it will start right from A to, and then what is the customer, that is probably C. Okay, so we will check it out. And okay, so we go to find out that if we want to locate the customer number, so that is on the C. right? So we will use this A to C, and the 3 is the offset. Okay, so we go back there, and here we will say A to C, C, right? And the third offset is going to be the cast. Okay, and since it is cast, then it is going to bring the customer reference. Okay, let's try it. That's how it works. Okay, so there can be an issue because in the customer reference, it is a numeric. How can we say it is numeric? Because its appearance is showing that it is numeric, right? So the number of the order number is numeric, right? So whereas the text is not a numeric, right? The text is not numeric. So one way of doing is that you just click into one so that it is correctly changed. In this way, it is changes from from a text to a numeric. And or the another function is if this does not work, we will check it out. Okay, we will check it out. Then we have more ways to do this. Okay, so let's figure out 37. Okay, and we will run this, and let's make it 37 right away. Okay, and click enter. You see, it has brought the customer, and that is multiplied by 1. That works, right? And it has brought the right representative, right? And now the thing is the order date has to be corrected. Okay, so let's bring the order date as well. So going back to the code here, and we will make it because, for example, we use the same thing, and this is going to be the date. I think order date is what is the exact name of this. You will go there and you will find it out. It is T-box order date. Okay, text box order date. Okay, fair enough. Now we go back to the code, and here we are going to write T-box, yeah, order is equal to. Now you are going to look it up in that's right, and look up here and bring the order date. So where is the order date located? You will go to the sale order. The order date is on the D. Okay, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Fair enough. So we go back to the Visual Basic editor, and here we are going to put it D. Make it D and make it 4. So your order date is also going to appear. Let's figure out 37 and see if it works. Let's go back, and here we are moving it 37, press enter, and yeah. So it has brought the order date, but it is in a different format. So to convert this format in our desired order date format, so what we do, we press Alt F11, and here we are going to use a format function. Format. And in the format function, We enclose the whole thing, which was bringing a numeric value. And here we are going to write the format in which we want. We want, first of all, the date, then 3 characters of month, and then 4 characters of the year. And we close it back. Okay, so close the bracket, and that's it. Now let's see. So this is a good practice when you proceed by changing this manner and learning through the process, right? Press enter. Right, so you now have the right order date, right customer representative number, right customer just by clicking order number. Okay, for example, you have a different order, press enter. Yeah, so it is 24. This is, this is, and if you have, for example, 55, you have a different company, you have different customer representative. It's dated 15th of April. So this is how you do it, and I leave the rest of the job for our next video. In the meantime, you do the homework and try to bring in all these information as per our presentation of these things, how to do this. Okay, and also make sure that you bring the right salesperson also, right? So that is, we will do it in the next session. Thank you very much.